Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little while since I last filmed a video of, just me. I've been just doing nail videos lately, but I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be filming a nail supply video. Nail haul. I've been still shopping for nail supplies, guys, so I've accumulated quite a few things, not too much. So I wanted to show you guys what I bought pretty much over the holiday season. Some of these things were gifts, a lot of stuff I purchased on my own. So yeah, if you guys want to see my nail supply haul, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to do close-ups of everything, but I just didn't want the camera to just be pointing down at my desk the whole time, so that's why I'm here. So yeah, so we're going to get started. First I'm going to start off with Glam and Glitz. So if you follow them on Instagram, you saw that they had like the build your own acrylic kit. I think over the holidays it was $60. So I kept thinking about it. So I went and purchased one of the kits, and it comes with 5 acrylics and the monomer, and this is 16 fluid ounces. This is a pretty big size monomer, so I'm really happy with this so far. And again, this is from Glam and Glitz, and it came a part of the acrylic kit. So it did also come with one of the bigger acrylics. So I got the clear acrylic, and it's just 3.85 ounces. So I got the clear because, I wanted to do like some encapsulating and all that stuff. So I figured I'd get the big one in clear, and I'm actually really happy with this because I've been using this a lot lately. I've used it for this set as well. I find the Glam and Glitz acrylics a little bit easier to work with, so I'm really happy with this so far. And then you did get like a cover shade as well, a part of the kit. So I got the cover light blush, which I did use it on this finger here. It's pretty much kind of the same color as my nail beds. I really like this, just wish it was a little bit bigger, but I've been using this a lot lately too. And again, this is the Glam and Glitz cover light blush, really cute. And I also got 3 other acrylics. So when these came in the mail, I was just like, girl, them things are small, like $60. These are small, but I kind of get it because you don't really need as much product, because this one is a glitter. So I did get the glitter fantasy from the Fantasy collection in the shade Jaunty. If you guys watched my last nail video, well, probably 2 nail videos, I don't know, but when I did the glitter acrylic, I used this, and it doesn't look like I use it at all. So I'm not too sad now about it being small, but I thought these would be a lot bigger. But yeah, loving this beautiful shade, just so bomb. And I also got the shade Heatwave, which is like a pink with like gold, with like little gold specks in it. Really cute. I haven't actually used this yet. I just swatched it, but I love it, you guys. Just so pretty. Glam and Glitz is where it's at for me. Just been loving it. And then the next color I got is called Porcelain Pearl, which is just like a nude color, and then it has like little gold flakes in it too. Super pretty. It was kind of hard to buy on the website because what I see in person and what I saw on the website was kind of 2 different things. I even watched a few videos which may help me make my decision, but the website, they need to update and put like maybe more like real pictures of like people who actually use the colors. But yeah, really pretty, loving this. So that's all I got from Glam and Glitz. I do plan on making more purchases later on down the line, but for right now I'm okay with that. $60, I do wish it wasn't $60, but it was, but I'm happy with it. So far, everything I used from Glam and Glitz has just been bomb. Okay, so next up, I made a purchase on bornprettystore. I was watching some girl here on YouTube. She's kind of like a new nail channel, and she used this polish, and it was so pigmented, so pretty, just amazing. And I asked her, I'm like, how's the quality, girl? Like, let's see. And she was saying that it's just as good as, like the more known brands, just a lot cheaper. So I was like, cheap, good, that's for me. So I was like, let me go on the website and make a purchase. So I went on Born Pretty, you guys, and obsessed. So okay, so first I did buy a lot of polishes. I think I have 9 here of these polishes. These are the most pigmented polishes I have ever used. I'm gonna put the pricing on the screen too, because I can't remember, because they all were like different prices. But I did get a black. I got a black polish, which again I will put on the screen. I got an orange polish, I got a yellow polish, which is like a mustard shade. Oh, for the backs. So you can't really tell what color it is by like just looking at it. And on the bottom it says the collection that's a part of, but it doesn't actually say the name of the shade. Because this one says like the pumpkin color gel series. So you don't know what color it is. So what I did was I swatched all of them. Can you see that? I swatched all of them on a piece of paper and just taped it to the back. That way I don't have to keep opening each one every time I want to use one. So that's what I did. This one's like a brown orange color, which is really pretty. And this one is another like reddish brown color. I don't know. I was really feeling this little pumpkin collection they had going on. So that's why I got so many of these. And I also got a navy blue here. And then I have this purple, which is the color that I'm wearing on my nails now. Pigmented and just bomb. And I also got this color, which I cannot wait to use. I have an idea in my mind for these already. But this is like a fuchsia pink color. So pretty, so bomb. Really, really happy with these gel polishes. And I also got like, I think it's like a builder gel. I use it to glue my stones down on my nails. And so far, so good. I haven't lost any of them. And I've showered all kinds of stuff and I haven't lost any. I read the reviews, everybody was like, oh my gosh, obsessed with this stuff, so I bought it. And it's kind of just like people said they use it to glue down stones and stuff. Also, while I was there, I bought this little damping dish. It's super cute, cheap, and I needed one. Honestly, I didn't have one, so I got this, and it's just like a cute little jar, and I just put my monomer in it and I just use it, and it just looks good in my videos. So yeah, I got this. Also from Born Pretty, I have some of these dried flowers. I believe that's what it's called. They're like some dried flowers that I can use like to encapsulate on my nails. Again, really cheap. Also, while I was on the site, they had like a lot of like rhinestones and like, you know, like little decals and stuff for the nails. So I got this, which is like some pearls. It's really pretty, and it's just different size pearls that I plan on using coming up in one of my nail videos. And I also got this cute, like, it's like gold and rose gold. It's it has like some stars in here, some moons, oh, some hearts. I didn't know it had hearts in it. It has hearts in there, some crosses, some bows. Just really pretty. I don't really care for the rose gold ones, but the gold ones are just really cute. So I do plan on using these soon as well. I just plan on using all this stuff soon because I'm just really excited. You know what? Let me go. I'm going to grab my soft boxes because I'm not sure how this lighting is looking. Okay, so hopefully that looks better. I think so, just to get rid of like some of those shadows. Bear with me, okay? Bear with me. Okay, so next I also got some rhinestones, and this is what they look like here. There's actually 4 different colors of rhinestones in here. There's like a silver, like some pearl looking ones, some iridescent ones, and these ones have like red and pink, like iridescent. I don't know, but I got these. Again, really affordable pricing for everything will be on the screen, but really happy with that. And I also got this, which is really pretty, but I think it's only enough to do like one set. Just like a mix of different metals in here. So there is some pearls in here, some metal flowers, some rhinestone, like a bronzy like rose set type thing, which is gonna be really pretty for a set. So I got this. I just wish it came with more because there's 3 flowers in here. I don't know what I'm really supposed to do with that, but I like this too, really cute. Okay, so also what I actually went on the site looking for was like some little hearts. So these are black hearts, which I plan on using for like anti-Valentine's Day nails, or you know, something corny like that. So I got these little black hearts. There's actually a lot in here. I'm really happy with this. Everything just came nice and packaged nicely, and I'm just, all right, I see y'all. It did take a month to come. Okay, everything did take a month to come, which I didn't know that initially going onto the site. I don't know why it didn't click, but it did come from Korea, so it took a whole month to get to me. But this is some pretty cool stuff, so I'm going to order again. But yeah, keep that in mind. I know people don't like waiting for things, but when you're saving a lot of money and you're getting so many things, it's going to take a little longer to come most likely. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And I also got like these iridescent flakes, which I do have on my nails right now. And these are really cute. I actually really like these. I use them to mix. So you guys will see the video, but I use it on this middle finger and I use it to mix into like this purple glitter and make this. And I think this is really cute. So I got that. Oh, okay. So this also I was looking for on the site, which is little like iridescent. Everything's so iridescent. butterflies, which is going to be really cute. I did want some more colored butterflies, but I'm okay with this for now. This will be a cute little set. Everything says like Born Pretty on it, and everything's just like really nicely packaged, and I love this. Okay. Also, I got this is like that chrome stuff. Describe it, but it's like that stuff that you wipe on the nail and it makes the nails look like chrome. Really cute, really cool. So I got that as well. I haven't opened it. I probably won't open the top either because I don't want to spill it. But it's like that powder, and you wipe it on the nails and it makes it look all shiny and cool looking. I can't wait to try this out. So these last two things from Born Pretty, I don't know what the heck this is. I'm gonna have to look on the site to see what this. I'm gonna just open it because I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this like that, like you can like stamp it down on the nails and it gives it like that like the flake look. I think that's what this is, but it's just like in like paper form, and it's like gold, silver, rose gold, pink. I think that's what this is. I will confirm on the screen if that's what this is, but yeah, got this too. And then this is like a nail like little decals. I think it's pretty much kind of like the same family, like you can stamp it on, but it's like marble. So I got this too because I was like, ooh, marble nails, and I ain't gotta be doing a bunch of extra stuff to get it. So I was like, oh, I would try this. Then that came like this cute little jar. So all the stuff you guys will see me test out on in a video. So just keep an eye out for that. But that's all the stuff I got from Born Pretty, which is a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff, especially like 9 polishes, and I want to say, I know I spent less than 40, so about $36. All that stuff, you tell me, I'll wait. Where are you gonna get all that stuff for less than $40? Shoot, less than $100. Shoot, you know, that's getting a little pricey. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So moving on. So for Christmas, Tyler got me a few things, but one of the main things he got me is, oh, this ring light that you guys see me on right now. So thanks to Tyler, because my lighting is just so much better. But yeah, I got a ring light. But he also got me some Essie polishes. So he got me this one in the shade Million Mile Hues, which is just like a beautiful gold color. Essie polishes are just really good quality anyway, but I got a gold one. I got this. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like pink with gold flakes in it. Really pretty, and this one's in the shade Beat of the Moment. That's a really cute name. And then I have just like a metallic silver, which is going to come in handy for a lot of my nail videos. So I love this. And then he also got me, this is, I want to say it's like a rose gold, but more so gold. And this one is gold gilding. And this bottle is actually really cute. So those are the 4 Essie polishes that Tyler got me. Thank you, Tyler. You always looking the girl out. Also for Christmas, Kiana got me this Model Ones dip powder kit. This is what it looks like here, and from the back it comes with the brush. So it comes with like the dip powder top coat, and it comes with the dip powder base, and it also has dip powder activator, and everything has numbers so that you know what order to use them in. And then, it has this really cute brush to, you know, brush off the excess powder. So that's really cute. I'm not sure of the pricing. I know it was around $50, which is pretty pricey, but you know. And then it also has all these different options for the dip powder. So I'm going to do a video on this, dedicated to this, to see how it actually works out. I've never done dip powder before, so I'm really happy with this. Yeah, I'm going to do a whole video so you guys can know if if this is something you guys want to try out. But yeah, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really happy with this. Thank you, Lolo, for this. Okay guys, so that is all I have to show you guys today. I don't think I'm missing anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see, some of these things in action. I have plans for about 80% of these things. So if you guys want to see that on my channel, please feel free to subscribe. And I do plan on making another purchase on Born Pretty because I just love the quality of everything I got from them. I just think it was so nice. Obsessed. And again, I did use the Born Pretty on my nails today. I used that purple color, and the quality and the pigmentation just out of this world. You will never see me going on these sites and spending $13, $14, $15, $16, $25 on one polish again, because I love these. Okay, they're so good. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for my channel, please feel free to leave them down below. And while you're here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.